Let's get this baby ready for shipping. Like, look at that. Look at how beautiful this is. I know, it's so beautiful. The blanket is so beautiful. It's so pretty. So the colors I use, this is cream color, this is light gray, this is lighter blue, and this is a darker blue. So those are the four colors it has. I kind of just duplicated things, but I love this pattern and I love the blanket. Honestly, it's so soft, so cozy. And the hearts, I added them after. So that's why they are looking like 3D. So I added them after I was done with the blanket. That was what the client requested. And okay, let's get this baby packed and ready for shipping. Okay. So I like to fold the blankets in three. Tried to get all these fuzzies out last night. Before we start packing, I'm going to add my tag on it. The tag, I got it from Etsy. The brand I've been using is Zeus Hide. I've been ordering from them. This is like the fourth time I'm ordering from them. So, this ribbon is not going to be enough to go around, but definitely do it there. The ribbon is not cooperating with me today. I have no idea why. Next, we'll get the vacuum seal bags. So, my vacuum seal bag, and I have this one. Next, we'll put them in a vacuum seal bag. Oh, I forgot to add these, so now I have to open it again. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in this and just wait until you see the magic. Look at that. That's the magic. So easy peasy. Now first we have our brand. Thank you for watching. So now I'm just going to put this inside the polymelo bag. it here. She's ready for her new home. Thanks for watching.